Well, hey family. I was sitting here working on some bracelets and wanted to share them with you all. I had bought some turquoise beads or turquoise light beads, howlets. So I went ahead and used them, and these beads right here in the middle, just kind of focus, see if it'll focus. That big pretty bead right there, um, that those are the strands of beads I got from Michael's. So if you see on there, I used a lot of jump rings to create that look. And the jump ring pack I bought, I think it was about 1,000 jump rings in it. And if you see like the little charms that I put on it, like this little charm right here started out being a necklace, and I didn't like the way it looked, this one right here. So I took that apart and then made that a charm on the bracelet. And then if you see right here, I just took some wire. Y'all know I'm a queen for wire wrapping, okay? That's why I can't find no wire nowhere. I had to actually go online, purchase wire. I'm like, okay, well, you better get used to it because, people are making things and wire wrapping is popular, and, you're not going to be able to just walk in a store and grab wire like that. So I'm cool with it. But I like the way that wire came out just for a charm. And then you can see right here, that's just a bead. And I wrapped that bead and made it a charm. And this one right here, wrapped it, made that a charm. And then I came out with these bracelets. And I'm thinking if I want to sell it as a whole set, ooh, that's just popping though, right? Or I might just break them down and do, sell them singulars. And then I might do them in two pieces. I'm not really sure yet, but I love the look of it. The richness, the color. These are really, really nice. Really, really nice. Love the way it came out. Well, they came out. 5 bracelets. Really, really nice. I like the way these came out. Yeah. I think I may even take pictures of these tonight and put them on the website. I love these. And you know what? I'll be saying that. And I'll make some stuff, and sometimes I find myself wearing it. And these are pieces that I would absolutely just won't sell and wear them. And see, this is even like a set that I would send to, send somewhere just so people can see. And for some reason, the product looks better in person than it does on pictures. And maybe it's just me, and I'm not a professional photographer or anything. And I use my Canon. I have a really nice Canon camera that I take all my pictures with. And the pictures for the thumbnails on the YouTube channel I take with the iPad. But the pictures for the website and all that, I use my Canon camera. And I think they come out pretty good. But if I was a professional photographer, oh my God, can you imagine? But I like the way these came out. Really, really nice. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.